Hi, I'm MZN Ashgar, founder and manager of MZN Body Care. MZN Body Care is a natural skincare and body care brand where we make our products here in Saudi Arabia from scratch. We use ingredients like date seed oil, like pomegranate extracts that are inspired from the culture of Saudi Arabia. We are today a team of 8 and we're selling our products across Saudi Arabia and in the UAE market. MZN products consist of body scrubs, lip care products, body butter, body oils, body mist, and they're all free from harmful chemicals. They're vegan friendly and they are cruelty free. After we expanded the business, we decided to give the brand a more professional look. So we did a major rebrand in 2018. Then we worried about where are we going to print our labels, because printing it here in Saudi Arabia was very expensive because they required a minimum order quantity. We then looked at China, where we printed around 3,000 to 5,000 pieces of each of the labels because that was the minimum quantity, and then we have to ship them and store them. That created too much of a cost on us. Printing in China required a lot of time and shipping. We had to store all of those products, so that created an extra cost, and we could not customize any of those stickers after they were printed. After trying multiple ways to print our labels, we did a collaboration with Epson, where we got the Epson ColorWorks C6500AE. The printer was amazing, we loved it. We managed to print some product labels on it, and we were impressed with the quality. It looks exactly as we got them from professional printers. The crispness of the images and the text and the exact colors that we got were amazing. It's exactly as a professional printer in-house. Having the Epson ColorWorks helped us in MZN Body Care to become more creative with our product lineup. It helped us to create custom products for different seasons and different clients, and to increase our production capacity and reduce the cost of unit, which is very important for a small business like ours. And because we in MZN care about the environment, having the Epson ColorWorks helped us reduce our paper waste, and also helped us to reduce the power used to ship the labels to us, which helped us to reduce our carbon footprint